Hello, in this video, I'll demonstrate how to configure your digital doorman. The first thing you need to do is create a new digital doorman. You can do so by navigating to the website below. Alternatively, you can tap the plus button in the bottom right corner of the application's home screen if you're using the Android or the web app. Next, enter the physical address where the product will be used. It's important to enter your address completely and accurately for the app to work its geolocation. In the next screen, you need to input the intercom phone number. This is the number you see in your phone screen when someone calls your apartment unit from the intercom. If you don't know it, just go to the intercom, call your apartment number. The intercom phone number will be displayed in your mobile phone. The code to open the gate is the digit that you press in your phone to open the door to your guest. Most intercoms use the number 9. Once you complete the wizard, you'll receive an email from Visionarus with instructions on how to configure the intercom to work with your digital doorman. The email you just received has a phone number on it. Call your landlord, your homeowner association, or property manager and tell this person to replace the number currently configured in the intercom to call you with the new phone number listed in the email. Once they confirm the phone number in the intercom was updated, you can test the system. Go to the intercom and type in your apartment unit number. The digital doorman will answer the call and ask for your password.
Hello, please read out loud your 6-digit passcode, 1 digit at a time. Or say call host to call your host.
864125.
Thank you. I'm opening the gate.
We hope you enjoy our digital doorman product. Stay informed about new and exciting product features by liking our Visionarus page on Facebook. Thank you.